I'm going to find the range, variance, and standard deviation of this data in Excel. To find the range, which is maximum minus minimum, I'll first find the minimum, which I can find by typing equals min, highlight the data, and enter. And for the maximum equals max, highlight the data, and enter. And the range will be the maximum minus minimum. For the variance, I want the sample variance. So I'm going to type equals VAR. The first option here is the population variance. I want the sample variance. So I'm going to scroll down and double click to select 8. Highlight the data, and that's my sample variance. For the sample standard deviation, I'm going to type equals HT, and I can see the option for the sample standard deviation here. I'm going to double click it, highlight the data, and that's the sample standard deviation in Excel.